Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your ASUS ROG earbuds with your Android phone. First of all, you need to open this charging case. And now you have to just wait for a couple of the seconds to simply get this notification. That's how it works in my case. But if you don't have this notification, you just have to open the Bluetooth settings and go step by step to the pair new device. And now just wait until your earbuds appears on available devices list. So click on the ROG Cetra True Wireless Earbuds, accept the pairing. And right now we can also activate the application. So we have to go to the Play Store. Click right here, and then you have to get the application Armoury Crate. This one. So we have to open it. We can open the device settings, and as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.